Well, we've been lucky enough to bring you some real lovely Rovers in recent sales, and here's another one. A lovely car. Very smart inside there. Clip that back up there and I'll take you on a little trip inside. Real nice on the door shuts and that crucial area there where they all go. Everyone who's walked in this last 24 hours has said, oh, that's a nice car. Here's a nice period radio. Lovely on the seats. And like I say, nice on this area where they go and the wheel arch there. Lovely car. Shut these up as we go. There's a few spare bits and pieces and some additive in there. I've just left it as it is. Spare fan belt should you need it. Correct battery cover there. Lovely in the boot shut all the way around, including the sensor there for your interior light. Look at that, real nice and pretty on the shuts. And underneath the bonnet area there. Look at that there, that's nice. Super. And the same on the near side, real good on the shuts. That crucial area there where they all go. Right, pretty little car. Isn't that nice? Quite clean, straight little car, look at that. I'd say about 1 in 50 are as straight as this. The other 49, I'll hardly be bothered to photograph if I'm honest with you. And we had a cracking one last sale, didn't we? If you remember, 2200 I think it was, TC. And then lo and behold we have another. You think, well, that's going to be it for 6 months, maybe a year before we get the opportunity to bring another really nice one to the market. And lo and behold, this one turns up. A real lovely car. And you've got 3 weeks to come down and have a look to make sure it is the one for you. Don't take my word for it. Come down and see how nice it is.